Hey, what's up guys, Guess here, and today we have a new video. Okay, this is Miraie, but today we actually going to do some even more supply drop opening. I don't know, let's just open it. I know I buy a lot of shit. I don't know why the fuck do I do that, but I guess you guys like it and it's fun to make this kind of video. So there's also a few reasons that why I didn't upload for so many days. It's mainly because during Saturday and Sunday my friend came to my house, and during yesterday and even today my friend is at my house. Now that my friend is gone, I can make video, if that makes any sense. Yeah. First item, it's not my item, it's my mom. Now let's try this. This is kind of small, right? This is kind of cute, like you can see the comparison. So yeah. Alright. 优质12 seems legit, man. Oh yeah, I got this. So this is actually pretty cool. There's actually the O, the triangle, the X, and square, and you got the keycaps plugger. Now coming up, we have a broken box. Let's try to unbox this. You know what, since the box is broken, let's just make it even broken. I don't even fucking care anymore. And this is actually still very cool. You can see it's also, yeah, I found it very cool. Let's try to unbox even more shit. Alright, we got a green pack. I just got pranked. Alright, we got another box, yo. Let's try to unbox again. It's a box. Oh. Wait, so I got another fucking keycap puller. I got another keycap puller with Cherry MX Red switch. Real question, why the fuck did I bought two? It's easy to take off. So yeah. Yo, personally I think it looks kinda nice. But now let's try to put this OSU switch on my Jack and X. Hey guys, quick update. I actually found out that you don't have to put OSU cap on. This OSU keycap is much more higher than the C. This is where I used to play OSU on. I'm gonna show you guys some gameplay. So yeah. Last but not least, I just want to say, probably just gonna quit OSU. I might still continue to play, but on offline. I will never log into a Miraie OSU account anymore. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoy watching. Hope you like this kind of thing. I guess it looks pretty nice. Leave a like if you enjoy. Comment about what you think. Subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you guys in the next video.